Hello and welcome to this channel again. In this math tutorial, we want to find the perimeter and the area of the trapezoid PQTS. So to start with, we're going to go from triangle RST. And that's the right triangle. So we have that the cosine of the angle 32 degrees is a ratio ST to SR, and that is 10 feet over SR. And this means that SR is going to be 10 feet divided by the cosine of the angle 32 degrees. And that's going to be 10 feet divided by the cosine of the angle 32 degrees is 0.848. So 3 significant figures. And this, when we divide, is going to give SR to be 11.8 feet. And don't forget that PQ is the same thing as SR, and that's also 11.8 feet. Also from triangle RST, the tangent of the angle 32 degrees is the ratio RT over ST. That is, tangent of the angle 32 degrees is RT over ST. And that's going to be RT over 10 feet. And that means the side RT is going to be the product of 10 feet and the tangent of the angle 32 degrees. And that's going to be 10 feet times 0.625 to 3 significant figures for the tangent of 32 degrees. And that's 6.25 feet. Now that the needed size have been calculated and obtained, we find the perimeter. Now the missing size or the size that are required have been calculated. So we have RS as 11.8 feet and RS is the same thing as PQ. So PQ is equally 11.8 feet. And we have RT to be 6.25. So the perimeter of PQTS is going to be the side PQ added to the side QT, which comprises QR and RT, added to the side TS or ST and added to the side PS, such that the perimeter is going to be 11.8 feet added to QT, which comprises 12 for QR and 6.25 for RT. CS is 10 and PS is 12. Adding this together gives the perimeter to be 52.05 feet, and that is just 52.1 feet to 3 significant figures. And finally, the area of the trapezoid is 1/2 of the sum of the parallel sides, that's PS and QT, that multiplying the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, which is ST, and that is going to be half of the product of the sum of PS, which is 12, QT, which is the sum of QR and RT, which is 12 and 6.25, giving 18.25, and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides, which is ST, and that's 10. So that's the product of 5, which is half of 10, and 30.25. That's going to be square feet. When multiplied together, gives the area as 151 square feet, approximated to 3 significant figures. Let us know your thoughts about this math tutorial in the comments box. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it and subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Click on the notification bell so that you get timely updates from our channel. Thank you for watching the video, and bye.